guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty curly wig unit from Asteria Hair. I was very happy when they reached out wanting to work because I haven't worked with them in a very long time, and also they offer a curly wig unit, which I feel like I haven't been reviewing a lot of them. So today I'm giving you guys curly hair in December. So the specs on this wig is that it's a 24-inch curly texture wig unit. Once again, it's also in a 13x4 HD lace frontal, and it is in 180% density. So you guys, this wig unit, like even straight out of the pack, I knew that it was going to be a lot of hair. For it to be 180% density, you guys, I honestly feel like it can pull off for $250 because it's literally that much hair. So straight out of the packaging, when you guys get your wig, you will have a lot of hair. So I did go ahead and wash my hair. I wouldn't say I washed it. I literally just rinsed it, got it very, very damp, and I just let it air dry. And that's pretty much all I did, you guys. I used my defining brush. You guys can find my defining brush down in my Amazon storefront. And that's pretty much all I did. I didn't use any conditioner. I didn't wash it. I literally just wet it and defined it and let it air dry. So that's what you guys see right here, air dried hair. So I did go ahead under my lace and put my foundation up under my wig unit, and that was pretty much it. This was a very quick, easy install because the hair is curly. Also, with my curly wigs, you guys, I don't like to play around or mess around with the curls too much. So the baby hairs that you guys see is literally just from like the front of the hairline, literally, because it's just like once you go in and you pluck it, you know, you start messing up the curls, and I didn't want that. So today I'm not plucking my wig unit. I honestly felt like it wasn't really necessary. I could have, but because I had already went and defined it and let it air dry, I wasn't going to like pluck it and mess up the curls. So if I was to pluck the wig unit, I should have done that before I defined the curls. So just keep note of that. This was a very easy install for me, you guys. Very quick, very easy. I like curly wigs because it's easy to put on, and also you don't really have to, you know, have perfect baby hairs. I feel like this would have been perfect with like the curly baby hairs as well with this wig unit, but I feel like I made it work with the hairline. But yeah, this was really good. The lace is amazing. The curls on this wig unit, amazing, you guys. Like even the frontal matches the bundles, which I absolutely love, because sometimes you can get wig units that don't have the same texture as the back, which is like the bundles. But this wig, 10 out of 10. Like even the lace is super nice. The HD lace, I didn't even bleach this unit, and it looks really good. So if you guys are looking for a very nice curly wig unit, these very luscious curls, you guys, this is a winner. This hair is so soft, so luscious, and just extremely full. So if you're one of those girls who can like maintain curly hair, definitely go with this wig unit. Also, you guys, I did not get a lot of tangling or even shedding when I went to, you know, define the hair either. So very soft to touch as well, and I really love it. Like, it's just really pretty. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this video play out so you guys could see how the hair came out, which you guys have already seen at the beginning, but you will see that this was a very easy install, super beginner friendly. So I'll see you guys in my next video.